just you and me. Something in the air I can't explain. Saw you standing under neon light, like the world just froze for a second in time. Didn't even know your name yet, but I wrote it on that pull in my chest. You smile like you already knew me, and I swear my heart skipped a beat so smoothly. Every step that you took closer had me falling deeper, slower. Tell me, do you feel it too? This energy between me and you. No words, but it's so loud. We're lost in it now. I can't pull away from you. Every little thing you do got me losing control, taking over my soul. In your eyes I see the truth. It's like I've always known you. I can't pull away from you. No, I don't want to. Now we're moving like the ocean tide. Close enough, I can feel your vibe. Hands touching, the moment stays, like the world just fades away. City lights don't matter now. All I see is you right here somehow. Every laugh, every breath you take got my heart wide awake. Tell me, do you feel it too? This energy between me and you. No fear, just falling fast. Don't need anything else but that. I can't pull away from you. Every little thing you do got me losing control, taking over my soul. In your eyes I see the truth. It's like I've always known you. I can't pull away from you. No, I don't want to. Hold me close, don't let it fade. Stay right here, don't walk away. If this is a dream, let it stay. I don't wanna break away. I can't pull away from you. Now I know you feel it too. Got me lost in your arms, safe inside your charm. In your eyes I see it through.